Warm greetings, SAIPA members, partners and stakeholders. I am Prem Govender, Chairperson of the SAIPA Board, and it is indeed a pleasure to address you as we welcome in the new year. 2025 was an optimistic and promising year for SAIPA, from addressing shifts in the professional landscape to navigating economic pressures and tackling hurdles that we faced with resilience, optimism and hope that required strength, courage and unity. To our members, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude. You trusted us to make the right decisions even during difficult times as we upheld the principles of compliance, governance and accountability, and above all, allowing us to lead ethically and with integrity. Your support affirmed our shared commitment to the values that SAIPA represents. Despite these challenges, we continued to advance towards our vision of becoming the professional accountancy organization of choice, as well as to demonstrate our values in action. Together with my fellow board members and with your support, we are proud to have persevered in upholding SAIPA's values and reinforcing our role as a leader in the accountancy profession, prioritizing our commitment to ethics and integrity. SAIPA's vision is more than just a goal. It's a reflection of our unwavering belief in the potential of our members, the importance of our profession, and our commitment to serving the public interest. We enter 2026 with excitement, a clear focus and renewed hope. We continue serving with ethical governance and upholding the professional standards to lead with boldness. The SAIPA strategy remains focused on becoming the professional accountancy organization of choice. In 2026, we will continue to keep members and stakeholders informed, engaged, and continuously updated on new and emerging trends in the accountancy profession, both locally and globally, and we encourage you to participate and engage with SAIPA programs and initiatives, as this will empower you in the areas that you serve. I want to take this moment to express my gratitude to my fellow board members for your unwavering guidance and support. Thank you for your contributions, sincerity, and commitment to the principles and core values of SAIPA and the broader accountancy profession. I appreciate your willingness to stand up through adversity and do what is right. To our members, stakeholders, and staff, thank you for your trust in the SAIPA Board and your invaluable contributions and dedication to SAIPA's mission. We take pride in the progress made thus far, and we look forward to 2026 as a year of determined purpose, meaningful progress, and lasting impact. Thank you.